Hello you guys, welcome to my channel. And I wanted to do this since so long and finally I'm doing it. So as per the title, you know, we are doing Nykaa haul. Finally I can say it. So let me just show you what all I shopped. This was during Independence sale. So let me just show you what I all shopped. So this is what the packaging looks like. Alright, so what I did is मैंने already सारे boxes खोल दिए हैं and let me show you what all we do have. So this is what it looks like. Let me just show you another box as well. So मैं क्या कर रही हूँ, I will be just giving you reviews. I use some of the products. मैंने कुछ products use किए हैं, कुछ अभी तक use नहीं किए हैं. But let me show you what I all got. So if you really like any of the products, you can buy it. I will just link all things in the description box. So अगर आपको कुछ भी अच्छा लगता है, you can just buy it. Let me show you what all I got. So first thing first, let's start up with this Nykaa Prep Me Up का face primer. So this is what it looks like. So ये Nykaa का I haven't used it yet, but I wanted to use this since so long. So I heard so much about this primer. This is what the packaging looks like. So मैंने काफ़ी सुना है about this primer and I wanted to use this primer. So yeah, and I will just let you know how it works on my skin. Actually मेरी जो skin है that is extremely dry. I do have a dry skin. So let's see how it works. And the second thing is 12-in-1 eyeshadow palette. So this is what the packaging looks like. Alright, let me just show you. This is a tiny little palette which we do have and मैंने अभी तक इसको use नहीं किया है, but I'm gonna use it really soon. Let me just show you how it looks.
2 hours later.
Okay, so as you can see, nude and blacks and browns, like kind of a palette you can just use on the regular basis. I just wanted to try this since so long and yeah, finally we'll try. By the way, I haven't tried it yet, so yeah. Okay, and the other thing, which is this Nykaa ka brow pencil. So actually I used it and मुझे ये काफ़ी ज़्यादा अच्छा लगा. So like I really like it. This is kind of a brown shade. This is in the shade called Chestnut Brown Girl, and I heard so much about this. एक side से you can just comb your eyebrows from here like this, और दूसरे side से you can just use it. Like काफ़ी ज़्यादा product है. So yeah, I use it and I really like it. So yeah, this is must buy and I really like it. And another thing is L'Oreal Paris ka liner. So this is a smudge proof, waterproof black liner. This is how it looks like. I was running out of it. I used this earlier as well and I really like it. Another thing is Miss Claire ka eyelashes glue. This is a waterproof and this is the first time I'm using it, but I heard so much about this, so I thought to just try it up. And the another thing is this is a nail glue. This is also from Miss Claire. This is my favorite part. So we do have so much of face mask over here. सो क्या हुआ था, एक्चुअली सेल चल रहा था एंड आई जस्ट बॉट दिस 1 pay 1 free kind of mask, and I just bought 7 and I got 7 free. So yeah, this is all what I got. सारे फ्लेवर्स है लाइक this is avocado, फिर lemon, and then avocado again, and then turmeric, and then tea, and then rice water, and then rice water again, and then charcoal bamboo. I am really excited using this. This is what we have. Kajal, faces ka काजल, दिस इज़ वॉट लुक्स लाइक. एक्चुअली मैंने ये 2-3 ऑलरेडी यूज़ कर लिया है एंड आई वॉज रनिंग आउट ऑफ इट. दिस लैशेस, सो ये पैक के लैशेस है. आई डू हैव 2 विथ मी बट आई डोंट नो दूसरा कहाँ पे है. और जो दूसरे लैशेस है दैट इज़ फ्रॉम रेने एंड दैट इज़ अ 3D reusable lashes. This is how it I'm excited to use this one. Actually मैंने इसके काफ़ी रिव्यू सुने हैं. Okay, and then we have Miss Claire का this pencil sort of kajal, and this is in the shade called sea green. और इसके साथ एक और है, दिस इज़ इन द शेड कॉल्ड पर्ल वाइट. ये भी मिस क्लेयर का है. सो आई हैवंट यूज दिस येट बट आई विल यूज़ इट रियली सून. ओके, एक्चुअली मैंने मिस क्लेयर के काफ़ी सारे प्रोडक्ट्स मंगाए हैं. आई हर्ड अबाउट दिस ब्रांड एंड आई थॉट टू गिव अ ट्राई. सो मैंने 2 इंडिविजुअल आई शेडोज़ मंगाए. द वन इज़ द पिंक वन 0248 or the another one is 0122. This is kind of a peach kind of a shade. It comes my favorite part called lipstick. So yeah, I just bought so much of lipstick. Let me just show you how it looks like. So this is what I bought lipsticks में. So let me just show you quickly what we do have. I just heard so much about this Masaba का नींबू पानी shade and I just thought to give a try. In fact, I'm wearing नींबू पानी right now, if you can just see it. So this is how the packaging look like. This is really cute. और इसका product is also cute. I really like the packaging, like ekdam summer vibe and like yeah, I really like it. So this time I just tried all these liquid shades. I didn't know ये कैसे लगेंगे मेरे lips पे. Like, so the first shade which I do have, that is in Nykaa Matte to Last Bombay. That is a mini liquid lipstick in the shade called Bombay. This is sort of, I would say, kind of a peach pinky shade in a peach tone, and I really like it. It's like chotu sa mini sa shade, and this is what the shades looks like. मुझे ये शेड काफ़ी ज़्यादा अच्छा लगा, बट यू can't apply it directly. First you have to apply it like lip balm sort of thing, और यूजुअली मैं क्या करती हूँ, मैं एक लिपस्टिक लगा लेती हूँ और उसके ऊपर इसको लेयर करती हूँ. सो या, एंड द अनदर वन इज़ दैट इज़ मेट टू लास्ट जानवी Bombay, and the shade is kind of similar, I guess. इसमें थोड़ा ज़्यादा सा पिंकी टोन है, if you can just see it. This is what the shade looks like. I heard like so much about this, so I just thought to give a try. This is the shade called Madras Kapi. This is what the packaging looks like. This is what the shades looks like, if you can just see it. ओके, ये जो दो लिप शेड है ये मुझे फ्री मिला है, चीज़ें मैंने ली थी, सो आई जस्ट गॉट दिस एज अ फ्री गिफ्ट. सो आई रियली लाइक द पैकेजिंग. So this is in the shade called Touch Me Not. This is what the packaging looks like. और ये है red. This is kind of a red, what I can see, red color का shade. I'm not sure if you guys can see it. And then we do have another free lipstick. This is from Miss Claire. Actually मैंने उनके बहुत सारे शॉपिंग कर लिए थे, बहुत सारी चीज़ें शॉप कर ली थी. एज आई शोड यू, लाइक आई शॉप्ड अ लॉट फ्रॉम मिस क्लेयर. सो ये उन्होंने मुझे फ्री दिया है. एज इन आई एम नॉट श्योर, कुछ अमाउंट आप, कुछ सर्टन अमाउंट अगर आप शॉप कर लेते हो, देन इट वॉज अ सेल एंड लाइक उसमें मुझे ये चीज़ फ्री मिली है. दिस इज़ काइंड ऑफ अ रेड अगेन. सो दिस इज़ इन द शेड कॉल चबी स्टिक. This is a stick kind of a thing. This is what the shades looks like. I'm not sure if you can just see it. And then we are done with the lipsticks. And then another thing is a makeup fixer. This is from the brand called Swiss Beauty. So मैंने Swiss Beauty के बारे में भी बहुत सुना था. I heard so much about Swiss Beauty. I haven't used it yet, but I will be using it really soon. So this is what it looks like. So ये छोटू सा है. Yeah, this is also budget friendly. I'm not sure how much is costing. ये I'm not sure. I will just let you know. You can just see. Okay, yeah, this is प्राइस कॉल 249. ये कुछ 249 का है. एंड दिस इज़ हाउ इट लुक्स लाइक. करते हैं. सॉरी, वन मोर थिंग आई जस्ट फॉरगॉट टू शो यू गाइस. दिस इज़ नायका का पेंट स्टिक. सो ये भी मुझे फ्री मिला एक्चुअली. मैंने जब शॉप किया था तब मेरा बर्थडे था. सो दे जस्ट गिव मी दिस स्टिक फ्री. So yeah, this is in the shade called 23 Wink. इसका जो shade है, this is kind of a neon, what I can say. This is neon, kind of a pink, not neon. So this is kind of a baby pink kind of a product. You can see it over here. I'm not sure if you can just see. Okay, now you can see it probably. So this is how the shades looks like. So I really like it. If you are not in a mood to do makeup, जब आपको makeup नहीं करना है, so you can just apply it and some blush and eyebrows and you're good to go. So we are left with few more products. So the one is, okay, I absolutely love this product. This is Maybelline का Hyper Curl Easy Wash. Actually I'm using this since long. Yeah, I was just checking ये waterproof है कि नहीं. I was not sure and I'm still not sure. Okay, so this is how it looks like. So ये Maybelline का The Hyper Curl Easy Wash मस्कारा है और इससे आपको काफ़ी वॉल्यूम मिल जाता है. लाइक यू कैन जस्ट अप्लाई इट 1-2 कोट्स एंड इफ़ यू वांट अ वॉल्यूम, अगर आपको बहुत ज़्यादा वॉल्यूम चाहिए होता है, सो यू कैन जस्ट अप्लाई इट लाइक थ्राइस. और या दिस इज़ व्हाट आई विल रिकमेंड यू गाइस. मस्ट बाय प्रोडक्ट. ऑलराइट, एंड अनदर थिंग इज़ concealer. This is a Maybelline. Okay, so the another thing is the Maybelline का concealer. So I'm not sure, I can't even count मैंने कितने यूज़ कर लिए. This is Instant Age Rewind. I am in the shade 113 medium. So I haven't used it yet, but yeah, मतलब मेरा जो पहले वाला है वो अभी तक चल रहा है. सो एज सून एज आई एम डन आई विल जस्ट स्टार्ट यूजिंग दिस. अनदर थिंग इज दिस LA Girl Pro Concealer. This is in the shade called Pure Beige. Yeah, this is what it looks like. So I guess ये मेरा दूसरा कंसीलर है. I already finished one और I really like it. Like इसका रिजल्ट काफ़ी ज़्यादा सही है. If you have a dark circle, so this is a really good product for you. You can just give a try. Highly recommended. And the other thing is this Nivea का moisturizer. 300 ml का डब्बा. And yeah. Now we do have a nail paint. So this is Masaba ka nail paint in the shade 275. So actually this is a lavender color. आजकल मुझे ये कलर पता नहीं बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा लग रहा है. एंड आई एम यूजिंग इट लाइक मैंने काफ़ी ज़्यादा टॉप्स और नेल पेंट और काफ़ी सारी चीज़ें लेवेंडर में आजकल मैं लाइक करंट ऑब्सेशन यू कैन से इट. सो दिस इज़ व्हाट इट लुक्स लाइक. And the other is my favorite, like, so this is like my go-to nail paint. Actually I'm not a nail paint person, so this is all for my sister. वो use करती है, so ये मैंने उसके लिए मंगाया. And the other thing is Swiss Beauty का remover, nail remover. So yeah, so this is all about it. I hope you really like this Nykaa. So I will just link everything in the description below, and do let me know what all products you like, and buy if you really like it, any of the product. And yeah, please stay tuned. So if you really like this video, please hit the like button, share, subscribe, and see you next time. Bye bye.